Hi everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and I'm probably a little late to the coloring book party, but I'm going to jump on that bandwagon anyway.
Once I decided on the coloring book project, I uploaded some numbers from Google into my Cricut design space. Then I chose Superchunky font for the word Dylan, my grandson, and combined the images, sized them, and then made it.
So I'm doing a t-shirt for my 4-year-old grandson, and we spent the weekend last weekend, not the weekend, we spent a couple of hours going over numbers. So with this t-shirt, I'm going to find the center line and press that in, and that will also get rid of wrinkles and moisture, so our vinyl can stick better. So that's going to give me a vertical center line, and I think I'll just press on down because this is a pretty big image. All right, so learning numbers, we've got to make it fun for kids, right? So this is a child's extra small, and with a child's, you want to come about 2 to 3 fingers down from the bottom of the neckline. Now, here's my numbers. I'm going to have him color in the different numbers. And I'm going to find the center line also of the numbers. So you want to get the side of the image together, match those sides, and just give yourself a couple of little creases at the top and at the bottom. There. And you want to get your image as much in the middle of your press as you can. And I always use a parchment paper. You don't have to because you've got a carrier on top of this, but I do anyway. And this is our 1, 2, 3 flex, so you only have to press it for like 5 seconds. And I've got another image going over this. So that means I'll be pressing it a couple of more times. Just so easy. And reuse this mask, don't forget, because it's almost perfectly clean. And then I thought that would be a little plain, just looking like this. So I thought I'd put a frame on it. Because you've already got some letters down, some vinyl down, you do want to use a parchment paper or Teflon. Okay, so Dylan and I are going to now color in numbers and his name. And then I'm going to give this to him with temporary coloring pins, not permanent, so he could redo it. And there we go. Thanks, guys.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.